Hey you guys, what is up? I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing a review on DSoar hair, but I'm going to show you guys how I pluck my frontals or closures, however it may be, and let you know how I make it look as natural as possible. So I'm going to start in with basically spraying the closure at this point. I'm going to go in with some tweezers and start plucking. I think that it's really important to wet it first just so that you can really see where you're looking at, and the hair will separate and get plucked a lot more naturally than if it was just dry. This method has really worked out for me, and of course I went ahead and I bleached the knots first, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in a separate tutorial on how I did that on this wig. And as you can see, as I'm plucking the hair, I go through with a comb just to get all of the excess shedded hair out, and now I'm going to just make my part of how I want the wig to look like, and then I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and if you guys already saw, I've already made the wig for you guys on camera. I've already plucked the frontal area, and I've also like kind of styled it a little bit. I also kind of just moisturized the hair as well. It's really soft, but I did get this hair from DSoar hair. So I'm gonna be talking about how I made the wig and everything, how many bundles I used, how the hair is looking, and all that good stuff. I've already wet the hair and everything, so it's in a really good state, and it's still really soft afterwards. I also did bleach the knots on this wig. That's something that I cannot not do. If you don't end up bleaching your knots, there is still the option of going ahead and kind of putting in some foundation or maybe like a powder underneath the lace so that it does show up brown for you. For me personally, I usually get hair that is Peruvian. I don't know why, but I've always had good luck with Peruvian hair. It has a really nice hair texture and it's really nice and wavy. It's not too soft, but it kind of just adds like a nice bounciness to it. It has a lot of volume and everything, and for me that works, so that's why I picked this out. So I did get this with 4 bundles of hair. Now this is a lot of hair on my head right now, like there's a ton of it. I ended up using almost 3 bundles. Like this is how much hair I had left on the last bundle, and then I had an extra bundle left, so I would say almost 3. I still have hair left over. Maybe I can do something else with another wig or something whenever I need to, but I do love this hair so freaking much. The closure looks really nice. I'm gonna kind of zoom in later on how I plucked the frontal and everything and how it's looking right now. Glued on there. I actually didn't sew in an elastic band for this wig. It fits my head extremely well, but if I end up, you know, selling it or something, then I might. As for now, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. It looks really cute. It looks really natural. I think it's really light and airy. Even though there's so much hair to this, it does feel really lightweight. It's not too heavy feeling. It has really nice beachy looking waves. So that's why I kind of went for this whole look. It's really cute. I did get 4 bundles. There were 2 20s and 2 22s. Ended up being 4 bundles in total. And then my closure was 18 inches. So this is how it's looking. I did go in and I kind of cut a little bit just to frame my face. It wasn't that much. I just kind of snipped here and snipped down there just to frame it a lot better. After the bleaching, I was really happy that the lace took well to the bleach. I didn't have to go in and like kind of recolor the hair itself. It really took well to it, so it didn't get damaged or anything like that. And yeah, it just looks really good. I'm gonna kind of zoom in for you guys to see how my hairline is looking. Yeah, I think I did a really good job on this, and I did make this wig myself, so I am very proud. But yeah, I put in some baby hairs here. There is got to be glued, not on my actual scalp but on my forehead a little bit, and I just kind of smoothed everything down. But as you can see, the hairline itself looks really natural. It does match my scalp color, which is really nice. And yeah, I really do love this wig so freaking much. I think it looks really good. The hair is really long. It hits me, I would say, at my waist. Well, it's definitely below that. It's like right here. So if you are 5'3", if you're my height, it's gonna hit you to your waist. It's giving me hair BB vibes again from when I last put it on. That wig, of course, you don't have to do anything, but this wig with the customization was pretty similar as far as like what I'm getting and how natural this is looking. So this does have a free part for the hair. Okay, so as far as shipping, it did come within a week. I never had issues with people shipping me wigs and stuff. Like there's probably been 1 or 2 occasions where it did take longer than 2 weeks, but in this case it did take a week for them to ship it to me after they contacted me, and so for me that was good. I'm not sure how it is with customers that buy their wigs, but again, that's my experience. So the price of this wig for 2 20 inches and then 2 22 inches is going to be $217.85. So to me, that's not that bad for all of this hair that you're getting. I think a $200 range isn't terrible. Like I wouldn't mind. Now when it gets to like $300 to $400, that's when I'm just like, maybe not, maybe I won't purchase that. But In this case, I feel like 217 for this is not bad. And you can even go a little bit lower if you want to go under 200 and still have the hair be long. For 4 whole bundles, and let me show you guys how much hair comes on each bundle so you guys can know. I didn't even use all of it, as you guys can see. And that's what I like about having your own wigs that you can make, because once the wig starts to thin out, you always have that option to just go in and fix it, you know? I would pretty much give it maybe like a 4.5 out of 5. Just because I don't know if it's perfect. Like, I had to do some customizing myself, but it does really work very well. I think it's really, really cute. And yeah, we'll see how it holds up maybe in like a couple weeks or so. Let's see how that goes. All right guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure to go ahead and take a look at DSoar hair. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.